Welcome to the DIY video from Keystone RV. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to replace an interior cabinet door handle.
Whether you are looking to upgrade or just simply replace these items, you are in the right place.
Before we get started, if you enjoy this series, hit the like and subscribe button.
Okay, Tori, let's do one and show the viewers.
All right, Bart, I'm gonna be the one to do it this time.
Okay.
All right. In most cases, just a screwdriver, flat tip, or Phillips will do the job. What are you doing?
Hang on just a minute. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.
If you are reusing the old holes, that makes it easy. You would just want to be careful not to over tighten. Snugging the screws is all that is needed here.
While we are on that note, many people have rechargeable screw guns these days, and admittedly, it is a great tool to use. But please, exercise caution here, and personally, I don't even recommend using one. Just too much power for this delicate operation. Great job, Tori. So let's recap what we've learned today. First, I can do this myself. On second thought, you can do it yourself. And second, using the DIY repair program Keystone offers, I can keep camping and get this resolved along the way. And third, being able to do repairs actually does save time and money. If you'd like to learn more about our DIY repair program, please download the My Keystone app or visit the owner's page at keystonerv.com and select the DIY repair program.
If you found this video helpful or have other suggestions to camp better, leave us a comment. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more do-it-yourself videos.
And thanks for watching.